How to get a working Weathertech discount promo codes. In this video, I'm going to provide you additional details or information for you to be able to get a working coupon codes or discount codes with WeatherTech. Now, if you go straight into their official website, WeatherTech does not accept any codes that you manually input into their official website if it is a third party website. So what you want to have to do is to create a new tab and go into this website that's going to be called simplycodes.com. And once you're here, type in WeatherTech. Now choose on the very first one. So as you can see, there are zero codes available. So what you want to do here is at the right side that says today's best deal is choose on get deal. Now you can click this link right here that says join WeatherTech's email newsletter and get discount codes. You just need to input your email address in there so that you will be posted with a working codes that is coming from WeatherTech itself. And that's it. That's how you get the best or working WeatherTech discount promo codes.